Disclaimer. The views and opinions expressed in this episode are those of the GOAT, or the greatest of all titos, and do not necessarily reflect the views or positions of all titos or uncles around the world. Possibly a few, but definitely not all.
Now, if the rumors are true, then this will be the last year that we will be seeing the lightning cable, the lightning port, be in any Apple device. Kasi nga, everybody's saying, because now the EU, they are basically demanding Apple to stop using lightning and just switch to USB-C. And medyo nalungkot ako kung talaga matutupad talaga yan sa iPhone 15. Bakit? Eh, alam mo naman si Apple, hindi naman sila masunurin sa ganyan. So I was thinking, instead of switching the iPhone to USB-C, I was thinking by 2024, medyo na master na ni Apple ang MagSafe and go entirely portless para lalong mapataas nila yung IP rating. Ganun eh. But if the rumors are true, then we will be seeing the first iPhone with a USB-C port. You know, parang, kasi you also have to understand, no? For all those of you who are living under a rock, you have to understand that Apple is first and foremost a business. And they will try their best to squeeze every peso, every centavo, every dollar out of the consumer. So whenever they do something, it's not because they are pro-consumer. Siyempre, meron ng plano behind that. Like when they stopped using the headphone jack. Eh, kasi gusto nga nabentahan ng headphones, ng wireless headphones. Same goes for going to wireless charging. Kasi nga, for everybody, every part that iPhone puts on its devices, meron silang certification. Sigurado yan eh. Yung tinatawag nilang MFI certification made for iPhone. MFI, MFA. And this certification gives the bearer the right to sell Apple accessories. So, but of course, we all know si China magaling gumawa ng mga pera ganyan, and they can basically bypass that, and Apple will not care kasi everybody else naman kasi will still comply and will still want to get that MFA, MFI certification para mabenta sa stores nila, para mas makikita ng mga mayayamang tao, so on and so forth. So, what does switching to USB-C mean? And of course, siyempre si Apple, hindi maglalabas na siya ng mga panabagong accessories specifically for USB-C. Kasi nga, medyo matagal na rin eh. Medyo na overstay na ang welcome ng Lightning. So it's now another excuse for Apple to sell accessories with the USB-C naman. Medyo excited ako eh. Kasi ngayon, it now becomes like for this in the house. It's gonna be like a one cable system. Now, one cable to rule them all, ika nga. So, hindi na yung, kasi like in this household and also in my sister's household, ako na lang ang Android user. Woohoo! Hack the planet. And for many reasons naman talaga why I decide to stick to Android, and it's not really because I'm an Apple hater. If you've been following me along social media, I've been posting naman na sobrang impressed din naman ako sa Apple, the ecosystem, the hardware, and stuff like that. It's just that for my use case, mas beneficial talaga sa akin ang Android. So, Pero mali mo, pagdating ng iPhone 15, ma-impress ako sobra. I would switch to that or the iPhone 16. Who knows? Any year can impress me enough for me to switch to iPhone. It's just a matter of time, to be completely honest. So, what are the devices that are finally getting USB-C? Yun nga, yung AirPod charger nila. Yung charging case ng AirPods. It's already finally switching to USB-C. I won't be surprised when the next generation of the AirPods Max also switches to USB-C. iPhone switches to USB-C. Will they phase out the Apple Pencil Generation 1? I sure hope so. Yun na lang ang naka-lightning eh. Diba? Yeah, yun na lang eh. So, goodbye, lightning. I wouldn't say that I'll miss you, because I never used it. That's it for today's video. Thank you for stopping by. As I've said in my previous video, I'm looking to do more food reviews, more gadget reviews. Let's see where that will take me. Bye-bye.